Looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch that packs a punch? Stay tuned, because the Amazfit Active 2 just might surprise you with its incredible features at an unbeatable price. Welcome back to Techverse, your go-to source for the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the Amazfit Active 2, unveiled last week at CES 2025. Let's see why this smartwatch is turning heads without emptying wallets. Starting at just $99 for the standard version and $129.99 for the premium, this watch offers serious value. The premium model ups the game with scratch-resistant sapphire glass, a sleek black leather strap, and an extra red silicone sport band. Both models feature a stunning 1.32-inch circular AMOLED display with a crisp 466 by 466 resolution and 600 nits brightness, housed in a durable 44mm stainless steel case. When it comes to health and fitness, the Amazfit Active 2 doesn't cut corners. Equipped with the BioTracker 6.0 ppg biosensor, it provides in-depth heart rate, sleep, and blood oxygen monitoring, plus stress and skin temperature tracking. With 164 workout modes, offline map support, and sync options for popular fitness apps like Strava and Apple Health, it's a dream for fitness enthusiasts. And it's not just smart, it's practical. With NFC for contactless payments, region-specific, 5 ATM water resistance, and up to 10 days of battery life, it fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. The GPS is spot on, thanks to its 5-satellite positioning system and circularly polarized antenna. The Amazfit Active 2 is already shipping in the US, with global availability coming in February 2025. At this price point, it's hard to ignore. So, are you Team Standard or Team Premium? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Techverse for more updates and reviews. Peace. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks or additions.